Trying to decide between Excel and Google Sheets for data analysis? You're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll break down the real differences, features, performance, collaboration, and which one actually makes more sense depending on how you work. So, both Excel and Google Sheets are powerful spreadsheet tools, but they're built with slightly different priorities. Excel focuses more on advanced analysis and performance, while Google Sheets is really designed around collaboration and accessibility. Now, when it comes to handling large datasets, Excel clearly has the edge. It supports over 1 million rows and performs better with complex formulas, heavy calculations, and large pivot tables. Yeah, especially when things start getting big. Google Sheets works great for small to medium datasets, but once files grow, performance can slow down. And if you're dealing with massive data or advanced modeling, you'll probably notice those limits pretty quickly. This is where Excel really shines. You get advanced tools like Power Query, Power Pivot, VBA macros, and deeper statistical functions. I mean, for analysts, finance teams, and anyone doing serious data work, Excel is usually the go-to. Google Sheets, though, absolutely wins when it comes to collaboration. Multiple people can edit the same file at the same time, see changes instantly, leave comments all right in the browser. No downloads, no setup. Excel works best as a desktop application, even though cloud features exist through Microsoft 365. Google Sheets is fully cloud-based, so you can access your files from basically any device, anytime. So which one should you choose? If you need advanced tools, automation, and large-scale analysis, Excel is a stronger option. If your focus is collaboration, quick sharing, and simpler analysis, Google Sheets does the job just fine. At the end of the day, it's not really about which tool is better overall, it's about which one fits your workflow. And yeah, if this helped, there are plenty more comparisons like this to check out. Thanks for watching.